Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Well guys, as you can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be testing the new snow foam shampoo from MJJC, which was kindly sent to me. So a massive thank you to them. So here's just a little before clips of what the car looked like. Now I did clean the wheels. I used Auto Bright's Very Cherry in the IK foamer, but I didn't show it because this video is solely for the MJJC snow foam / shampoo. So going by what the bottle says, it does say to rinse the vehicle first. So now it's time to test out the MJJC snow foam / shampoo. Now on first use you do get a nice fresh clean smell, but it does say it smells of cider, but I couldn't quite get it. Now as again via the instructions it tells you 100 ml of product to 900 ml of water, so that's what we went with guys, and we applied only using the version 2 of the MJJC snow foam lance. But for me, I think guys it's just a little bit too thick. I think it needs to be diluted down just a little bit because it doesn't go away. I honestly could have gone in, ate my Sunday dinner, add half-hour kip, come back out, and it would have still been stuck to the car. It was that thick. So now we've applied the shampoo / snow foam. It says to wipe the vehicle surface gently with a soaked wash mitt and then rinse off all the foam with clean water after cleaning the vehicle. So this is what we did guys. I went over with my Shiny Garage wash mitt. I only showed a little bit of it and I have sped it up. I didn't want to bore you with me washing the whole car. So yeah, that's what we did. We followed the instructions as it says on the bottle. So just as we're going to rinse off what's my thoughts on this snow foam / shampoo. For me, there's not much cleaning power, but obviously it would be different if you was using it diluted down to help the dirt run off, as well as teaming up with your favorite citrus, so that would be interesting as well. But as a shampoo, it's super thick, super soft, glides really well over the panels, and it does a good job of cleaning. Guys, another big massive thank you for everybody who's watching, that's liking, that's subscribing. I do really appreciate it, and it does help the channel grow. So guys, just like to say a big massive thank you once again to MJJC for sending me this product out. If you've used it, let me know how you've got on in the comments below, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.